Speaking of a phone that people were wondering where it may or may not end up from an international perspective, the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren is going to come to the U.S.
Oh.
It is. The 7T Pro is going to come to the U.S. in the McLaren variant, and it's going to support T-Mobile's 5G. So it's going to have the 5G modem in there, and presumably it's going to be enabled out the gate. Now, granted, my understanding of T-Mobile's 5G network still a work in progress, but maybe having this particular handset at its launch date and the continued implementation of the 5G network, maybe you can start to take advantage, at least in certain markets. But you should be aware, it's not widely available yet, 5G, on any phone for that matter, let alone the McLaren version of the 7T Pro. The OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition with 5G, it's going to come with a massive 12 gigabytes of RAM instead of the regular 8 gigs on the standard Pro and regular 7T non-Pro. Of course, we've talked about the design a little bit with the orange accents. This is kind of the top tier of OnePlus devices, at least the last couple of years when they put the McLaren badge on it. It also usually comes with a fancy unboxing experience. In the past, it's come with a special charger cable combo, part of the theme. I would love to unbox one, especially now that I know it's coming to the U.S. market, which, of course, is a big viewership for us here on this channel and on Unbox Therapy. So we'll see if we can get that done. There is no exact release date yet, and pricing has not come out for the U.S. market via T-Mobile. But I would say for OnePlus fans, this is good news. At least there's a way to get it, because it did seem odd that in a North American market, you couldn't get the best OnePlus device that was out there.
Right.
Seemed a bit odd. I don't know what the holdup was. Maybe the T-Mobile deal wasn't done, but now it appears it's confirmed that that's going to happen. So exciting times for OnePlus fans. You get the wild version of the 7T. The Pro plus McLaren. Very flashy. Wouldn't you agree, Will? Exclusive icons. Lock screen. Minimalist timepiece. Orange accents. Where else are you going to get that?